In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add laughing sound effect in CapCut. If you want to sprinkle some lighthearted humor into your video, CapCut on PC makes it simple with its free, built-in audio library. We'll walk through finding the right laugh and placing it at the perfect moment on your timeline. Follow along inside your project so you can try each step as we go. Start by looking to the top left area of CapCut's interface and click the Audio tab. This is where CapCut groups music, voice, and, most importantly for us, sound effects. Right underneath that, click Sound Effects to open the full library. You'll see categories and a search tool designed to help you zero in quickly. Think of this library as your toolbox. Everything here is royalty-free inside CapCut, so you can experiment without leaving the editor or worrying about importing files. Next, go to the search bar and type the word laugh, then press enter. CapCut will load dozens of options, from quick cartoon chuckles to lively crowd laughter and studio-style giggles. Use the small play button next to any sound to preview it. Take a moment to listen closely and imagine where it would land in your scene. Short, snappy laughs work well for punchlines. Fuller audience laughter fits reaction shots. You can sample as many as you like here until one matches the mood you're going for. When you find a favorite, drag and drop the sound directly onto your timeline, right below your video track. Place it on the audio lane so it sits exactly where you want the laughter to begin. A simple way to get the timing right is to move your playhead to the moment of the joke or reaction, then align the start of the laugh with that playhead position. Press play to preview. If it fires a bit too early or late, grab the clip and nudge it left or right until it hits just right. This quick alignment step makes the difference between a laugh that lands and one that feels out of place. And that's it. Instant comedy with just a quick search. CapCut's built-in library gives you plenty of variety, and the drag and drop workflow keeps everything fast and simple. Now you know exactly how to find, preview, and place a laughing sound effect in your project. You're all set. Done.